Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy XCover7 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's go to Software Information and localize build number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got a screen lock, enter it to confirm the whole step and confirm it by tapping on OK. Now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down a little bit to find developer options. So let's tap. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Auto Update System, and simply tap on this switcher to turn it on. From now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and whenever the update is available, of course. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.